Hi, my name is Tammy Wadarsky, and I just recently graduated from Stotzenberger College with a degree in medical billing and coding. I took my state certification test, and I just got notified yesterday that I passed with a 96%. I was so excited. Woohoo! I was on the honor roll every session while attending Stotzenberger, and I received A's in every class except I did get 2 B's, one in a math class and one in a computer class. I worked very hard for my degree, and I'm very proud of my accomplishments, especially at my age. My career goal is to be a professional biller and coder in a small medical office, and I'd really like to retire in 20 years. That sounds so perfect to me. I chose to go into this field because of the flexibility it offers and the type of degree I needed. It wasn't going to take 4 years to get this degree, and I was very excited. I am an honest, caring, hard-working person, and I'm very easy to get along with. I enjoy people, so I feel this would be a good job for me. I have good phone skills, and I do not mind talking on the phone with other professional people. Medical billing is an important job, and I would take it very seriously and do my best. Thank you.